Alright guys, alright, here is this beauty. I got her. She has been flat ironed. Now let's put her on. And the reason why I didn't want to have all the bumps and the humps, I wanted a straight wig. The humps and the bumps. And when I was styling her, I didn't have any shedding. I know I changed my cap because you can see right, you can see that brown tan cap. Get a smaller comb. And you can wear this glueless, like I'm gonna wear this glueless today. She is beauty. And let me show you guys. I didn't show you this. This is what it looks like. Let me show you the scalp itch. I use my ebon lace tint spray to tint it. Oh, and then it feels like a light yaki. Like a blown out yaki. Like you just got your hair done. I like this. I will buy again. This is really nice. This is really nice. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the back. And you can see the layered cuts here. Ooh, pretty. Turn around for you guys. You can see. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give this a 10. I have no issues with this wig. I will buy again. What do you guys think about this unit? Put your comments in the box below. Put your comments in the comment section below. Let's talk about it. Will you buy? Let's talk about it. I think this is nice. No glue. Let me show you guys what this look like. I can see my little gray hair. See? No glue, no spray, no nothing, no nothing, no nothing. All right, guys. If you guys like this video and you want more videos, like, comment, share. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Till next time, I see you guys in the next one.